If you want to know how to swap your tokens here on Bitget Exchange, then you have to watch this video to the end. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap any token, alright, from USDT, how to swap your USDT token to another token. And I'll be using PAUS as an example, alright. I want to be swapping my PAUS to USDT, and also I'll be swapping my PAUS again, my USDT back to the PAUS. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to trade other tokens. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So here's my dashboard on Bitget. So I just want to show you how to swap any token. So the first thing you have to do is to click on where you have your assets. You click on the assets section. Then after clicking on the assets section, it will show you these are the various tokens that I've received in my Bitget wallet. Alright, they are going to be showing right here in your Bitget. Any token that you received in the past is going to be showing just right here in your Bitget. Okay, so you can see all of them, all the tokens I've received in my Bitget, and they are not in USDT. All these tokens that you see here are all in their native tokens. You can see the PAUS, you can see the OGC, you can see the GDV. These are just normal tokens, all right, trading against the USDT. All right, so all these tokens right here are trading against the USDT. So I just want to show you how to swap it. So I'll just click on swap. I'll first of all go and click on PAUS. Okay, you select any token that I want to swap. So I'm using PAUS here as an example. So I'll click on this PAUS right here. So when I click on that PAUS in that section, I'll head over here and click on trade. Okay, I'll click on trade. It will take you to this section here right now. So you can see here that PAUS is trading against the USDT. All right, so this section that you see over here is buy, and this section that you see over here is sell. All right, so if you have some money in your PAUS and you want to sell to USDT, then which means you are going to be swapping immediately to USDT, and there are various processes to do that. All right, you can either use the market option. If you click on here, we have the market option here. We have the limit orders, so you can use any of the limit orders to swap this PAUS to USDT. All right, so the various orders that we have here on Bitget are we have the advanced limit, we have the advanced limit, we have the OTC. These are various limit orders that you can use. All right, you can use to swap. Okay, but what we are going to be concentrating on right here is the market order. This market order is what we are going to be using, all right, to swap any token. Okay, don't forget that anytime you want to swap any token, you have to ensure that this is on market order. This column right here is on the market order. Okay, let it be on the market order, and by default is always on the market order. So whenever you see this market order, which means the price of the coin is going to be swapped automatically at the current price at which it is trading at. Okay, so let's say that, for example, now PAUS listed just right now, and it listed at 0.9. That same 0.9 is what you are going to be swapping immediately to USDT. All right, so that particular amount that is trading at is the market order. Okay, so let's say I want to swap this PAUS now to USDT. So I'll just leave it on the market order. All right, and head over here. You can see your money will be showing right here. The amount that you have on PAUS will be showing right here. All right, so now what you have to do now is, after confirming all your amount, you can see after confirming your amount here, and after confirming that this column is on the market order, you have to drag this to the right. Okay, you have to drag this little pin here to the right. Okay, whenever you drag this to this little pin right here, or point right here to the right, then which means you are going to be selling every amount that you have in your PAUS. Let's say if you have like 10,000 PAUS and you drag this little amount here to the right, to the end of this column right here, you are going to be selling the entire 10,000 amount, and you can cross check the amount that you are selling right here. Okay, so if you drag this to the left or to the right, let's say for example, if you drag this little, if you want to sell half of the 10,000 that you have in your Bitget, then you can draw this to the middle. When you draw it to the middle, then you are going to be selling half of the amount that you have on pause. All right, but if you drag this to this little to just have a little bit to the front here, if you drag it a little bit to the front here, which means you are going to be selling a percentage of the amount of your amount of the money you have in your pause. All right, I hope you understand that. So if I want to sell all to the right, so I'll just drag it to the right. So I'll just head over here and drag this entirely to the right, and I'm going to be selling everything that I have in my pause. All right, and the money will be reflecting right here. So if I drag this to the right, then I'm going to be selling everything that I have. But if I drag it to the middle, then I'm going to be selling 50% of the money I have on pause. All right, I hope you understand that. So here, understand that here is buy and here is sell. All right, so whenever you have pause and you want to swap it to USDT, which means you are going to be selling the pause to USDT and your money is going to be transferred automatically to USDT. All right, so whenever you want to sell your USDT, then you are going to be buying pause. You are going to be swapping it again to pause. All right, so you are going to be selling this USDT to pause. All right, and inversely, whenever you want to sell this pause, you are going to be selling this pause to USDT, and the money is going to be swapped immediately. All right, so let's say I want to buy 50 USDT. Let's say I have like the 1,000 pounds, and I want to buy USDT with the 1,000 pounds. So I want my money to be in USDT format in the stablecoin here. So I'm just going to leave it at the market order, and then after leaving it at the market order, you now come down here and toggle this on to the right. All right, after toggling it on to the right, you come down here and click on buy, and the money is going to, and the pause is going to be swapped automatically. All right, after clicking on this pause, this buy pause here, this pause, the money you have here, that 1,000 worth of pause that you have here is going to be swapped automatically to the USDT. All right, so that is how you swap your pause to USDT. Okay, so secondly, if you have some amount in your USDT right here, if you have some money in your USDT right here and you want to swap it to your pause, so you are going to be selling. All right, so in order for you to sell, this is what you have to be doing. You just come here and toggle this on. All right, you move it from here to here. All right, because I want to sell my money. Let's say I want to sell my 10,000 USDT to pause. I'm just going to toggle this on, this from the left, toggle it from the left to the right, so that the money can be converted automatically. So after toggling it onto the left, you click on it. Then when you click on it right now, which means you are going to sell off. All right, and so when you click on that, now you are going to sell off automatically. And then if you want to sell everything, it's still the same process. You drag this to the right and it's going to sell everything to pause. Your USDT is going to be sold back to the pause, so which means it's going to be swapped back to the pause, and your money is going to reflect back to pause. All right, so when after dragging this to the right, you now head over here and click on sell swap. After clicking on that sell swap, you confirm the transaction and the money will be sent immediately. All right, it will be the money, the USDT will be swapped immediately to pause. Okay, that's how simple it is to swap. So that is how you swap any coin right here on Bitget Exchange. If you have any question, leave them at the comment section. I do reply in 5 minutes. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like the videos. See you in the next video.